Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create an avatar on Instagram. So go to your profile page and press Edit Profile. You're going to go down and press Create Avatar and press No Create New Avatar. I'm just going to create a new one, and I would just like to create it from scratch. So press create from scratch and press continue. Here you can first select your skin tone, press next, and choose your hairstyle. Just gonna choose a hairstyle. And then you can choose your hair color here. You can choose your face shape, your eye shape, and your eye color. You can add eye makeup over here. Change the eyebrows. You can even add eyewear like glasses if you wear one. You can change the shape of your nose too. And change the shape of your lips too. You can also add piercings if you want, but I don't wear nose piercings. You can change the lip color too over here. You can add you can add facial hair. You can change your body shape here too. And you can change the outfit right here. You see there's a lot to choose from. And you can also add in headwear, like cats. And some earrings and also hearing devices. Once you're done, you're just going to press done and press save changes. And wait for your avatar to be updated, press next. And then that's it. You have created your Instagram avatar. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!